Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to use Rolle's theorem. And so what that means is we're going to look at this interval from -1 to 3, and we're going to see if there are any spots in between that where f of c is going to be equal to 0. So doing this, all I have to do is f of -1, which this ends up being a -1 minus 3, and then a -1 plus 1. And hey, that's really awesome because I know that this is going to end up being equal to 0. So I know that f of -1 is equal to 0. I also need to try f of 3. So if I do that, I'm going to end up with 3 minus 3, which, hey, I don't even need to go any further. That's 0. So I know that f of 3 is going to also be equal to 0. Because remember, 0 times anything is always 0. If I were to write it out, I could write it as 3 plus 1 to the third, but it wouldn't matter either way. So the answer, does Rolle's theorem work? Well, yes, it's continuous and differentiable because I know because it's a polynomial. These two things are true, so they equal the same value. So since f of -1 equals f of 3, I know it works. So there must be some f of c. So I'm trying to find all of the spots where f prime of c is equal to 0. So let's take the derivative. And with this, I'm going to do the first one times the derivative of the second one, which is 3x plus 1 squared, times the second one, or sorry, not times, it's plus the second one, I'm going to write it down here, x plus 1 cubed, times the derivative of the first one, which is just going to end up being 1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to simplify this. So f prime of x is equal to a, so I can factor out the x plus 1, and I can factor out x plus 1 squared actually. So then what that leaves me is 3 times the x minus 3, and that would be plus 1. And so I can go one step further. F prime of x is equal to this x plus 1 squared. And in here, I'm going to have 3x, and that's a minus 9 plus 1, so it would be minus 8. So all I have to do is set each of these pieces equal to 0. So when this is equal to 0, x is -1. Right? So if x is equal to a -1, that would make that 0. And if 3x minus 8, I'm going to set that equal to 0. For this one, I'm going to end up with x is equal to 8 over 3. So these two are my critical points where f prime of c is equal to 0.